Hello guys, Champions League is back at Stamford Bridge and now today we are going to speak about the UCL draw. Draws आ चुके हैं कि कौन सी टीम कौन सी क्लब को खेलने वाली है वो सब आ गए हैं तो हम लोग वही रिव्यू करेंगे अब.
The second edition of the new version of the Champions League जहाँ पे groups हट चुके हैं और every team is gonna play a different team on a different match day. So let's start with Chelsea. Chelsea किसको खेलेगी? तो what we have here is Chelsea अपना पहला गेम खेलेगी बायर्न के घर, which is a reminiscent of the final we had against them in 2012 at the Allianz Arena and the Drogba header, जो which is like a great memory for every Chelsea fan out there.
But also Chelsea and Bayern also like have a very deep rooted history. जब भी इन दोनों टीम्स ने एक दूसरे को फेस किया है it has been something memorable. और last time Bayern ने हमें हराया था 7-1 and that is also very memorable for us in a bad way. Let's see क्या होता है क्योंकि ये तो बहुत टफ मैच होने वाली है, that is for sure. चेल्सी के पास और भी टफ मैचेस हैं, जैसे बारसा है,
Napoli away would be tricky facing Lukaku again, despite the fact that कि Antonio Conte की teams Champions League में usually उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. Like we had a very good record against Barcelona, but we lost in his tenure when we faced Barcelona last time out. So that brings a bad memory because I remember the game Barcelona or Chelsea ka at Stamford Bridge last time. It was a 1-1 draw. Willian had a very good game out there.
and it is going to be very tricky also this time because both are very young teams. Let's see how that pans out. देखते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी यंग टीम किसकी है, बारसा या चेल्सी.
And Benfica, recently we played Benfica at the Club World Cup. Benfica के साथ हमारे बहुत अच्छे मैचेस हुए हैं, जैसे यूरोपा लीग फाइनल 2013, Ivanovic का header, that's a very good game. And the game we recently had in the Club World Cup. And 2012 में we also played Benfica in one of the knockout stages.
Yes, I think Atalanta, Ajax, Pafos and all those teams are going to be easy like comparatively. तो इन्हें जीतने के लिए I don't think कि ज़्यादा हम लोगों को मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. It should be easy, especially Ajax is at home and Atalanta can be a little tricky, but also
with Gasperini gone and Ademola Lookman looking to leave, I don't think वो ज़्यादा trouble देगी हमें because वो essentially Gasperini की team थी for the past few seasons, but I think Atalanta wouldn't be that difficult despite away. Overall, this will be a good league phase and we should definitely qualify going into the top 8 rather than in the like top 24.
और guys अगर बाकी टीम्स की हम लोग बात करें तो if I had to pick out the most like जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा टफ टीम्स मिली हैं वो है PSG obviously. But last time they had very tough opponents, but last moment they came through and they went on to win the league. I think इस बार भी like they should come off in the top 8 because क्योंकि उनकी टीम ही ऐसी है. They have dominated last season all over and they have fixtures against Bayern Munich, Barcelona, Leverkusen, Tottenham Spurs, Newcastle, and these are very tough teams. Like if you compare to the other teams, there are 2 to 3 like very tough games, but like Paris has like 5 to 6 very tough games, and it is going to be difficult for them, that's for sure. पर देखते हैं कि कैसे turn out होता है.
जैसे I think Newcastle last season they played away and this season they are playing Newcastle at home. तो Newcastle एक difficult होगा home game उनके लिए. Along with they are also facing Bayern, so Bayern would be a very tough game even though वो Parc des Princes में है, but I think that will be a game to look out for. And Barcelona away would be their toughest game in the league phase
very tough
because Barcelona are very confident. They played the semi-final and they almost went to the final unless that Fratesi goal. So ये बहुत ही टफ होगा PSG के लिए. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट रियल मैड्रिड का क्या बोले, दे हैव बीन सीडेड अगेंस्ट मैनचेस्टर सिटी अगेन.
And what is this sorcery? Every time, how I think at this point it is scripted. हमेशा से कैसे हो जाता है, सॉफ्टवेयर को भी पता है क्या?
And Liverpool also, they are playing Liverpool also
Again.
this season again. And these are the two main fixtures to look out for Real Madrid. And Monaco has set up a very, very good team. And Monaco is playing Real Madrid. So at Bernabeu, it's going to be tough. Pogba आएगा. Barcelona से उन्होंने Ansu Fati को लोन में लिया है. So it will be a tough team to play against Monaco. So अगला टीम जो हम लोग देखने वाले हैं दैट इज मैन सिटी. आई थिंक मैन सिटी शुड क्वालिफाई. सिर्फ रियल मैड्रिड अवे विच इज लुकिंग लाइक अ टफ फिक्चर फॉर देम. बाकी आई डोंट थिंक इट विल बी अ टफ फिक्चर. गलातासराय अवे होता तो देख लेते, बट आई थिंक इट विल बी एन ईजी फिक्चर. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द टीम विच हैज प्लेड 2 finals in the last 3 years, Inter Milan. I think Inter Milan should somehow scrape into the top 8 just, but it can be one of the teams की जो direct top 8 में ना आए. And the next team we are going to talk about is obviously Barcelona. Barcelona के भी I think is a relatively easy route. I think सिर्फ 3 ही tough games हैं, which is PSG at home and Chelsea and Newcastle away. And Newcastle away is going to be very tough. I think जो slope की हम बात सुनते हैं at Newcastle, it's going to be very, very tough for Barcelona to come in and play there. And Arsenal are playing their favorite opponents, Bayern Munich. Arsenal having a great time. It would have been a fixture which they dreaded actually. They lost majority of those fixtures. So I think still Arsenal have enough in them with Gyökeres coming in, with the other the Bayer Leverkusen centre back they are bringing in. So it will be a very, very relatively easy fixture, easy league phase for them.
दिस वॉज आर UCL ड्रॉ का डिस्कशन कि कैसे क्या पैन आउट कर रहा है. सो नाउ इफ वी हैड टू पिक आउट कि कौन सी टीम्स टॉप 8 में सबसे पहले पहुंचने वाली है, सो दीज वुड बी आवर चॉइसेस. सो लेट्स गो थ्रू देम. आई थिंक
Starting off with Chelsea, obviously we are backing them to finish in the top 8, and along with it
PSG,
yeah, PSG obviously.
because no matter how tough the fixtures get, they are a world class team. That is no question
उनकी
about
midfield भी
that.
बहुत अच्छी है, I think.
बहुत अच्छी है. So I think they are going to get there. And
Bayern,
third team,
Bayern Munich are very clinical. Obviously with Harry Kane out there, he's gonna score goals. So number 4, I would back Barcelona. They almost played the final last year, so I think वो भी इस साल qualify करेंगे very comfortably. Arsenal, I am backing Arsenal to
but they are not going to win it. Just let me put it out there.
But Arsenal on backing the defense to perform very well, because Arsenal with Saliba and Gabriel, the defense is very, very good. And obviously they are playing defensive fullback. So yeah, Arsenal backing the defense. And the next teams which I'm gonna say is probably Inter. The last 3 साल में उन्होंने 2 final खेला है. So I feel I'm gonna back them.
I think the 7th team that we are going to pick is Liverpool, obviously, because ये last time के PL winners थे and they have been playing really well. और interesting matches देखने को मिलेंगे. Trent coming back
at Anfield. So Liverpool, Man City are a shoe-in the top 8, I think. And the surprise package would be either Galatasaray or Juventus. ये दोनों team I think would be fighting for the last spot in the automatic place for the knockouts. So I think those are the top 8s from us.
Bye bye.
Tell us what yours are.